Find or read reviews that people are talking about Qozybuds Bluetooth Jobsite Speaker with magnet and hook. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 30-hour working time, enjoy non-stop music. With built-in rechargeable battery, this wearable Bluetooth speaker boasts a long-lasting battery for 30 hours of continuous playback. Trust this speaker to keep your tunes playing, and elevate your outdoor or working experience with uninterrupted music all day long. Work or play hands-free. The Jobsite Bluetooth speaker offers effortless operation with magnet and hook, allowing absorbing on the metal surface or hanging on objects to facilitate the portability. Suitable for using in workshop or construction site environment. Enjoy powerful sound and seamless calls on the go. Enjoy superior audio anywhere. Qozybuds portable Bluetooth speaker features a high-performance driver for loud and clear sound, delivering crisp highs and enhanced lows for both indoor and outdoor use. With built-in TWS technology, it allows two identical Bluetooth speakers to pair together, creating a separation of left and right channels for a more realistic stereo sound effect. IPX6 waterproof design. Built to withstand the toughest job sites with its IPX6 waterproof feature. Enjoy uninterrupted music in any weather condition, rain or shine. With powerful sound and durable construction, this speaker is your ultimate work companion. Elevate your work environment with the perfect blend of toughness and music. 20-watt power audio experience. Go beyond the competition with our 20-watt Bluetooth speaker, outperforming rivals' 5-watt models. Experience booming sound quality that sets the standard on the job site. Elevate your workday with powerful volume and crystal clear audio. Built to endure tough conditions, this speaker delivers exceptional performance that stands above the rest. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.